Holiday decorations need a deliberate packing plan to survive a move without breakage or loss. Start by sorting decorations by fragility and by holiday so you can pack-like items together and avoid unnecessary handling later. Use plastic ornament storage boxes with dividers for glass and ceramic pieces. Wrap each item in acid-free tissue paper and place them snugly in individual compartments to prevent shifting. For string lights, wind them on reels or use zippered fabric bags designed for lights so bulbs do not tangle or snap. If you must use boxes, coil lights loosely around cardboard and secure ends with twist ties. Store wreaths flat in shallow boxes or hang them in garment bags to preserve shape and prevent crushing. Label each box with the holiday and the specific contents using durable tape and a permanent marker. So unpacking is efficient and fragile. Boxes are handled with care. Before you pack, set aside duplicates or items you no longer love and donate them so you move fewer boxes and reduce breakage risk. The most common mistakes are overpacking boxes so items crush each other, tossing lights in a pile which causes tangles and broken bulbs, and failing to label boxes which creates frantic searches and careless handling. Avoid overpacking by using appropriately sized boxes and leaving a little cushioning space with packing paper or foam to absorb shocks. Prevent light tangles by winding on reels or storing in clear labeled bags so each strand is ready to test and hang. Stop guessing contents by labeling boxes clearly with holiday and item type and list fragile items on the top of the label so movers know which boxes need gentle placement. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to share real moving and storage tips from people who have done it. Our community discussion boards let us trade packing strategies and recommendations for where to buy the best ornament boxes and light reels. And our listings help contractors find seasonal projects in our area.